Welcome back to another Joyride vlog. I never really did a proper intro for this video, so I'm gonna just do it now. The reason why I picked up the camera and recorded this because I had never seen anything this awful or this bad, so this is pretty much what you get if you never change your brakes. And by the way, this is Laura's dad. If you haven't noticed, we are in an airport right now because we are getting ready to head out to Houston, Texas area. So if any of you guys are in Houston, Texas, follow me on Instagram if you haven't, because that's where I'll probably have the most recent and up-to-date or whatever I'm doing. Yeah, we got some super exciting stuff going on. We're gonna actually give away an 800+ horsepower car, but we'll have more information on that later. But we are heading out there. We're gonna go pick up the car, do some cool videos with it, and I will definitely keep you guys posted. So again, enjoy this video. Explain to us what happened here.
They wore out, that's all.
They're wore out? I wasn't gonna pick up the camera and do this, but this was so bad that I couldn't not.
It still stops though, it still stops.
You say it still stops?
Sure it does.
Did it make any noises or anything? Did you hear anything?
Well, once it had a little thump, but I don't know if I hit somebody or just the brakes fell. I don't know what it was.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
It's a little bit wore out.
Just a little bit?
A little bit, not that bad. It still stops, that's all.
Now that ain't gonna pass inspection. You know your inspections do, right?
Oh no. I'm from Indiana, they don't care about that stuff out there. You drive anything you want to out there.
Shoot. I don't know about all that, but let's get this thing jacked up. See exactly what's going on. Alright. You ready to see this, Vince?
I'm looking at it.
Oh my goodness.
What, huh? Is that bad, huh?
What happened?
I guess it's wore out.
Just wore out?
Yeah.
Like, where's your rotor?
It's in the box. That was there
in that box?
Yeah, I guess.
No, this rotor. What happened to it? The heck?
Yeah, I think it's something like that.
Look at that.
I see it.
It did not come like that.
Are you sure? Okay.
I'm positive. Dude, how can you not hear this thing going down the road?
At first you did hear it, and then after all, it just quit making noise. It quit squealing. So it's fixed now, you know. It's fixed.
What the heck? So it's like gone.
I know we gotta take this here apart now.
Yeah, we're gonna have to take all this off. So we got a new caliper, new pads, new rotor. What do you think? What Papaw Vinny do?
I don't know.
That's pretty bad. I've never seen anything that bad.
But when he does it right, when he messes up, he messes up right. Okay.
I actually think you can make the mechanics memes page. Yeah. You did a good job on this one. And that's like all that's left.
Well, now you broke it.
It's... It's like all the way to the pad. That's pretty bad. And this is all that's left of this rotor. Get that off. All that's left of the rotor. This is your rotor.
Damn.
That's it. That is it. You think we can get this thing turned? Take it to...
Yeah, you still got enough meat on there.
Still got enough to bite right there. This right here has got to be some sort of record of... I don't know. Vince,
I could have gone a lot longer, I think. Huh? I could have gone longer.
No. Has anyone else seen anything this bad? I've never seen a rotor wore out. I've only seen stuff like this on the internet. This is the first time I've ever seen something this bad in person. This is freaking crazy. So now we're going to change the caliper, change everything. This is... Wow. All right.
Were there any brake pads left on there?
No, there's only one pad left right in there. I don't even think you can get that out. Ah.
That's because they're not American.
It's... Because they're not
You
American.
got plenty of meat left on there.
On that pad?
Yeah.
But the other pad is gone. Dude, I've never seen anything that bad. The other pad's completely gone.
Probably not that movie. Huh? They look about the same, don't they?
Seems like they look about the same.
Was that one not American made?
No, but like, how do you wear that down to that?
You'll be good, that's all. I'm so bad, the bad come with bad. What, huh? I told you. I'm so bad, the bad come with bad.
Wow.
You want to keep that rotor, do you?
We're putting her all back together with all new parts. We'll see how long this lasts them. What do you think?
4 months.
4 months. Well, these are American made. It might be longer. I don't know. I ain't never seen anything like that. I know a lot of people that work in mechanic shops are probably like, yep, that probably happens about once a day.
What, that? Wearing them out that bad?
Yeah, I just ain't never seen anything like that, Vince.
Ever?
Nope.
Not in real life.
He suddenly might. What, huh?
There you go, Vince. That's what it's supposed to look
That's the wrong
like.
way.
What?
The motor, look at it, sideways. It's supposed to be the other way.
See, that's what it's supposed to look like.
How does it feel though?
Solid, man.
How's the pedal feel?
It's good. It's up.
It's up?
It used to go with the floor, but now it don't.
I know this video is a lot shorter than what I normally post, but schedule's been super hectic lately, and don't worry, we got part 2 of the C10 bag. It's coming, so guys, just sit tight. Things have just been super hectic. Again, I will be in Houston this weekend. I get there on the 18th and I leave on the 21st. Follow my Instagram, that will let you know where I'm at, and I'm gonna try to keep everybody up to date and posted on what I'm doing in Houston. But again, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.